Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our chapter tenses. In the first video we have seen present tense and its four forms. Now we are going to see past tense and its four forms. Again, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. First of all, come to the past tense. What is a past tense? when past tense क्या होता है? तो एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन और इवेंट. कौन सा एक्शन और इवेंट? अ पास्ट एक्शन और इवेंट. टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन दैट was held at some time before, right? And usually the common expression we use: yesterday, last night, a day before, a month ago, last week, right? Sometimes I say you were absent yesterday. Yes, I was absent yesterday. I was absent yesterday. Why? Because I was suffering from fever. Now here I have used two types of tenses: simple past and past continuous. I was absent because I was suffering from fever. I was absent is the simple past and I was suffering from fever is the past continuous. Come on, let's see. We use the simple past tense to talk about what happened at a definite time in the past. There are some common expressions, as I said right now: yesterday, last night, a month ago, a week ago, last week, yesterday afternoon, etc. etc. Clear? So this is nothing else but a simple past tense. Simple past tense के अगर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाऊँ तो I received your letter yesterday. Edison invented the gramophone. I saw many deer in the zoo. Gandhiji always spoke the truth. There are many examples. Whenever we are talking about the past, we use verb was. Clear? The verb will be was, or the helping verb will be was or were. That is subject plus was or verb plus first form of the verb. Now we come to the second part. Verb will be in the past tense. Okay, verb will be in the V2 form. Sorry, subject plus was or were, be form of the verb, plus the past tense we use. Clear? Now we come to past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Again I repeat continuous. In the last video also I told you, whenever the word comes continuous means salang, lagatar, without break, and it always takes V1 form of the verb plus ing. The past continuous describes action or event in a time before now which began in the past and is still continuing at the time of speaking. To make the past simple with be, subject plus was or were, then just add verb plus ing. Listen carefully how to form the past continuous tense structure formation. Subject plus be form of the verb was or were plus verb plus verb plus ing. First form of the verb plus ing. They were watching. If I say they were watching, they is subject, was or were. As they is plural, it will take were. Watching, watch is the first form of the verb. ing, it becomes watching. If I say they were watching TV, TV becomes the object. She wasn't reading. Was she reading? These all are past continuous tense. Now we come to past perfect tense. That is a third form. Past perfect. Again, the structure of the sentence is very important. When we saw the structure in the present perfect, present, our structure was subject plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb. Clear? Third form of the verb means past participle form. It is nothing else. Like if I say example, eat, present tense, ate, past tense, eaten, past participle or the third form of the verb. Clear? Now, past perfect tense. You can use past perfect to talk about an action that happened before a past event. Or we can also say, see, in another words, if I say, to denote an action which had been completed before another action had begun. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना. टू डिनोट एन एक्शन, एक ऐसा एक्शन हम डिनोट करते हैं विच हैड कंप्लीटेड, वो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया बिफोर द अनदर एक्शन बिगेन. वी वेंट फॉर अ वॉक आफ्टर द रेन हैड स्टॉप्ड. कौन सा एक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ पहले मुझे बताओ. दो एक्शन है इसमें. वी वेंट फॉर अ वॉक आफ्टर द रेन हैड स्टॉप्ड. लिसन टू द एग्जाम्पल केयरफुली. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ वी वेंट फॉर अ वॉक, मतलब पहले दो एक्शन चल रहे. एक एक्शन कौन सा कंप्लीट हुआ, द रेन हैड स्टॉप्ड. देयर वी हैव यूज्ड हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. Clear? So in that we use the third form of the verb. That is the thing which we denote, which has been completed before the other action. जब बारिश बंद हुई तो हमने क्या किया, we went for a walk. Now see the examples here. My mom had cooked dinner earlier in the day. The team had practiced all the day yesterday. Our friends had already gone to see that movie. I had not slept well all week. In all these cases, our action has began in the past and completed somewhere in the past. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, also known as the past perfect progressive tense, shows that an action that started in the past continued up till another time in the past. The past perfect tense is constructed using. Now the structure formation of the past perfect tense. Listen carefully, the structure formation. See, structure is very important. Subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing. As I said, continuous will come. It will take first form of the verb, basic form of the verb, that is simple present tense plus ing. Root form of the verb, ये सभी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. बेसिक, रूट, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, ये सभी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस? दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू डिनोट एन एक्शन दैट हैड बीन गोइंग ऑन फॉर सम टाइम इन द पास्ट बिफोर अनदर एक्शन टुक प्लेस इन द पास्ट. He had been eating cereal out of the box when Dad walked into the room. Now here two actions are going on. You saw? Dad walked into the room. Simple past tense. It is simple past tense. But the first one is past perfect continuous. Which is past perfect continuous? He had been eating cereal out of the box. हमने भी मैंने समझाया ना, to denote an action that had been going on for some time before the another action took place in the past. ये एक्शन चल रहा है पास्ट में. He had been eating cereal when the dad walked into the room. I had been working at the restaurant for 2 years when I got the promotion. When I got the promotion, an action took place in the past, but at the same time that person was working in the restaurant. That is past perfect continuous. Now we come to the third part, that is the future tense. And future tense also 4 parts: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and perfect continuous. Simple future tense. The simple future tense indicates that an action that will happen in the future. Everyone know, I will go to Indore tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a holiday. I will come late. And so many more examples. The future tense is formed by using the helping verb will or shall with the base form of the verb, that is the main verb. I will clean my room. Will is the helping verb, clean is the main verb, and then subject plus will plus first form of the verb plus object. I will fold the laundry. The dog will bark at the, what is it written? Mailman. The dog will bark at the mailman. Now we come to future continuous. Future continuous tense indicates an action that will occur in the future and continue for a period of time. Same thing. Now, initially the action was beginning in the past and continuing for a period of time in the past tense. Now the action will begin in the future and will continue for a period of time in the future. See the examples of it. I'll give you a few examples. I'll be staying here until Sunday. Action will be taking place in the future, but it will continue for a time. मैं यहाँ पर संडे तक रुकूंगा. मतलब अगर मैं कल जा रहा हूँ, समझो tomorrow is a Wednesday and I'll stay till Sunday. So action will begin tomorrow, Wednesday, but it will continue till Sunday. That is future continuous tense. The postman will be coming soon. The postman will be coming soon मतलब postman आने वाला है. Now we come to the third part, future perfect continuous. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will have been completed at some point in the future. For example, John will have baked a cake. They will have painted the fence. Means an action which is going to take place. An action which is, we use this tense to express an action which is expected to be completed by certain time in future. किसी भी समय फ्यूचर में कंप्लीट होगा. He will have learned this lesson by tomorrow. Now we come to the fourth part, that is future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe the action that is not completed at some specific time in the future but still going on. Continuous means is still going on. It is used to, again in my language if I explain, it is used to denote an action that will have been going on at or before some point of time in future. Clear? The team will have been practicing for an hour before the match begins. The team will have been. See, here we are saying that the team will have been practicing. Now the match is in the future. The team will practice in the future. So it is not completed at a specific time but it's still going on. In November, I will have been working at my company for 3 years. At 5 o'clock, I'll have been waiting for 30 minutes. When I'll turn 30, I'll have been playing piano for 21 years. An action which is completed somewhere in the future. So with this, our chapter, the tenses, is completed. Okay, just go through this video very nicely.